this may be Cairns' most attractive fixer-upper. Are you looking for a fixer-upper that you can rent out while using the large shed and backyard for your own personal use? Zoned medium density residential and located on McCoombe Street, a 4-lane sub-arterial road with a land size of 755 square metres, this property may be the one you've been waiting for. It's not perfect, and the seller's price expectations reflect that. Come and have a look this week and decide for yourself.
Wolf Real Estate, where the service is excellent and the coffee exceptional.